This is a 3-in-1 vest for your girls. 100% cotton with lace trimmings by the neck. Yes, this is one pack, and this is what we have in this pack. You have very pretty colors of vest for your girls. This is the hand details. Can you see? Yes, this is not your regular China low quality vest. This is, I'm bringing US to you people. I'm bringing foreign to you people. Can you see? This is another print. This is another print. Now let me show you what the inside looks like. Yes, can you see? This is 100% cotton. The inside, this is the inside. Can you see it? Yes, this is your label. And this is the outside. Yes, so this is 100% cotton. We have it for your girls from 2 years up to 12-year-old. This is how it is packed. It's a 3-in-1 vest. When you see quality, I'm sure our mommies know quality. Yes, so these are some of the pretty prints we have. Every pack has different prints, different packs, different pretty prints. This is another pack. This is another pack.